Welcome to Wealthy Reads. Today, we're diving into The New Contrarian Investment Strategy by David Dreman. This book challenges conventional market wisdom, providing a fresh perspective on how to succeed in investing. David Dreman is known for his contrarian approach, advocating for investing in stocks that are overlooked or undervalued by the market. He argues that popular stocks often carry a high risk due to their inflated prices, while less popular stocks, though perceived as risky, often provide better returns. In this book, Dreman outlines several key principles for contrarian investing. First, he emphasizes the importance of thorough research. By analyzing financial statements and understanding the true value of a company, investors can identify opportunities that others might miss. Dreman also discusses the psychological aspect of investing. He highlights how emotions like fear and greed can cloud judgment, leading to poor investment decisions. By maintaining a rational and disciplined approach, contrarian investors can avoid these pitfalls and make more informed choices. Risk management is another critical aspect of Dreman's strategy. He advises diversifying investments to spread risk and avoid putting too much capital into any single stock or sector. This reduces the impact of any one investment performing poorly. One of the standout features of this book is Dreman's empirical research. He provides extensive data and case studies to support his theories, demonstrating how contrarian strategies have outperformed the market over the long term. For those looking to implement Dreman's strategies, he offers practical advice on identifying undervalued stocks. This includes looking at financial ratios like the price-to-earnings ratio, dividend yield, and book value. By focusing on these metrics, investors can find stocks that are priced lower than their intrinsic value. Dreman also emphasizes the importance of patience. Contrarian investing often requires holding onto stocks for longer periods to realize their full potential. This long-term perspective can help investors weather short-term market volatility and achieve substantial gains over time. In conclusion, The New Contrarian Investment Strategy by David Dreman is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to think differently about investing. By going against the grain and focusing on undervalued stocks, investors can achieve significant returns while managing risk effectively. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Wealthy Reads for more insightful reviews of financial books. See you next time.